Hello friends, I am Suman. Welcome to my channel in Dayal Programming Academy. Today I am going to discuss about the role hierarchy. So what is role hierarchy in Salesforce? Let's see. So role hierarchy in Salesforce defines the hierarchy of the users working in the organization. Okay. Role hierarchy can be used to extend the record access automatically so that a manager will always have access to the same data as his or her employees regardless of the org-wide default setting. Means whatever setting OWD setting we provide to a user, manager will be able to access only those uh, securities, right? If we are providing a security as a public read write, then it is public read write for manager. If we are providing a private, then it is private for the manager, right? So as per role hierarchy, CEO can see all the records of his subordinates. Role hierarchy accessibility is possible only if grant access using hierarchies option is checked in OWD setting, right? We will check this option. We will see this option later on. So how can we do this? First, we need to set up or create roles. Then we need to assign these roles to the users, right? So if grant access via hierarchy is enabled, then it provides access to the user with the role above the current user, right? Access opens vertically, means who is above in the role hierarchy, he will be access to the data of the lower one, right? Let's see how we can do this practically. So come to our org. Okay, let me show you option first. So in quick find box, type sharing setting here. Click on sharing setting. So here organization wide defaults OWD setting is available here, and this is the option grant access using hierarchy, right? Just click on edit. This is enable for our standard objects. We cannot make any change here, but in custom object we can make changes here. If we want to allow this access, then we can check this box. Otherwise, if we will uncheck this box, then role hierarchy will not work, right? So we will do it. So first of all, come to our roles. So first we need to create a role. How we can create a role and what is the role hierarchy? So let's see. So this is the role hierarchy, right? This is executive staff, CEO, president, CFO, VP, right? These persons will be able to access the record of these persons, who is director, sales director, and this one also, right? Same this one and this one also. So this person will be able to see the record of this person also, because they are falling in role hierarchy, right? If we will check that checkbox, then it works in a role hierarchy. What accessibility we will provide from the OWD setting, this person will be able to access with this accessibility, and this one also. So this person can see these all data, but this person can see only this person data, this person can see only this person data, right? So in this way our role hierarchy works. Now click on setup roles. Here you can say these are the predefined roles from the Salesforce, right? So directly you can assign the user to this role also, right, as per your requirement. But if you want to create a role, you can create from here, add roles, right? Under which profile, under which role you want to create your new role, it's up to you, up to your requirement, right? Suppose I want to create a role under this CEO. Just click here. So you can see this role reports to CEO directly, right? But I'm not going to create a role here. I'm going to create a role under this manager, right? So how we can create? Just click on add role. Here I'm going to create assistant manager. Now role name as displayed on reports, I am just giving a same. You can make it change if you want. Just click on save button. right? So in this way we have created our role, which reports goes to manager, right? So now it's time to assign the user to this particular role. So this is the one way you can assign from here also, just clicking on assign to role, assign to user, right? So here you can select your user. This is the one way. I'm not going to assign from here. I would like to show you another option also from where we can assign. So come here, click on setup, come here, assistant manager and the manager, right? So first of all I'm going to assign this manager role, right? So this is the assign option. You can assign from there also, you can assign from here also, right? Or okay, I have created this role, so let me assign this role first. So click on assign. Now assistant manager, I would like to assign this role to this user, right? You just select this and click this arrow button, it will be added here, right? Now click on save, right? Now come to our manager. Now manager, to manager I am going to assign this user Rakesh Kumar, right? So in the similar way we can add this also, click on save button, right? So we have created one role, we have assigned the user to this particular role, and this particular role manager who is above in the role hierarchy from assistant manager, right? So our roles are created, we have assigned the user, our role hierarchy is ready, right? Now come to our user first. So let us check or come to our OWD setting, sharing setting, click on sharing setting here, right? So sharing setting, okay, let me click here, setup, let me open my user first so I can see which object is assigned to this particular user, right? Click on user, so we can check for that particular object. Just log in from here, this is our active user writer, right? So we will check for this object. Now log out, come to our sharing setting, click on edit button, come to our writer object, that is our custom one. It is here. So it is public read write. Public read write means this user can create the record, edit the record and delete the record. All authorities it has, right? So if I will make it public read only, right? Just save it first, right? So now let me open, because this user is above in role hierarchy, right? So I'm going to create a record from my application. Let me open my application. So this is my application, and from here I'm going to create a new record, right? So here I am just giving a name new record, so I can identify this record, right? So can select this, book price, can select this, click on save button, right? Now come to our user, just log in one more time from our user account. If I will check here, click all, let me refresh once. Okay, let me log in one more time. Before this, I would like to refresh. Now log in. What record I have created? New record. New record is available here, right? It is read only accessibility. So because this person will be able to see, because it is in upper in the role hierarchy, right? But read only access, it is okay, everyone can see, which have only read access with read accessibility, right? Now log out from here. Let me change the sharing setting. Now this time I would like to make it private, so I can see the changes, right? So this time making this private. Just save this. Now oopsie, I have closed my application by mistake, so let me open one more time. Here again I'm going to create one more record as a private, right? So let me create, and I'm giving this record name as a private record so I can identify. Click on save button, right? So just give a refresh before logging to the user. Now come to our user, open our user. Now log in from the user. If I will check the writer object, click on all. So private record is available here, right? It is private, but still this person will be able to see this record. Why? Just because of role hierarchy, because this user, Rakesh user, is above in the role hierarchy. That's why he will be able to see the private record of another user who is below in the role hierarchy, right? So in this way role hierarchy works. Now let me log out from this user. This time come to our sharing setting. This time just click on edit, and I am removing this accessibility, means grant access using hierarchy. I am just going to enable this, uncheck this, right? I am not providing any role hierarchy. I don't want to follow the role hierarchy, right? And make it private. Just save it. Okay, now come to our application. I'm going to create one more record, and this time this record name I'm giving test record, right? So this is a private. This time it should not be visible there because it is not falling in role hierarchy now, right? Just click on save. Just refresh. Come to our user, log in from our user account, open this, click on all record. So can you see? Now all records are private because this person is above in the role hierarchy, but role hierarchy option is unchecked. So that's why this user is not able to see the records which person is below in role hierarchy, right? So in this way role hierarchy works. Just log out from here, come to our sharing setting, right? Because we unchecked this, so this is not following a role hierarchy rule, right? That's why still the person is above in the role hierarchy, but he will not be able to see the record who is below in the role hierarchy, right? So that's all about the role hierarchy. Thank you for watching. If my videos are helping you, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notification about the new videos. Thank you so much, and mention the comment for your feedback. Thank you.